Normally, aircraft and drones don't mix well in the same airspace. But Air New Zealand's teamed up with ST Engineering, and we think we found a way that they can get along very well.
We will be inspecting the vertical stabilizer for this aircraft, which is above 80 meters high. The flight route of the drone are pre-planned for each aircraft type. Usually this will have to be done with a human inspector going onto a boom lift. With the help of drone scan, high-resolution images can now be captured effortlessly and streamed live to this monitor for viewing by the aircraft engineers.
The key to that is it has an algorithm which can capture and detect any defects we might have, sends that back to the engineer to then review and confirm or possibly initiate a further inspection. What that means for us is the opportunity that if it needs a repair, it can be done immediately, and also it gets our aircraft back in the air quicker.
We've had to put together engineers with different kinds of skills, both traditional aircraft design engineering skills, as well as new skills including software, algorithm, data analytics. So it's a combination of traditional and new technology skills in order to deliver a solution like this.
So drone inspections save us time. Now what is now a 1 to 2 hour process previously would have taken us up to 6 hours depending on the aircraft type.
Our engineers can now focus on higher value added activities by spending their time on analyzing the defects and developing solutions for the defects rather than spending time climbing all over the aircraft to look for the defects.
We believe that drives improved inspection quality, and what we'd also like to explore is using that back here in New Zealand to say that if we have an ad hoc inspection requirement, for example around lightning strikes. ST Engineering is really committed to driving improvement across the aviation industry, and they do that through fresh approaches or applications of existing technology, but also new and emerging technology that they use and share with the industry. And that progressive approach for us is really important. We think that's a great partnership for Air New Zealand, and it's seen advancements in the way that both of us operate.